It is learned that the Confederation of Service Association of Arunachal Pradesh is also taking part in the nationwide bandh called by the All India State Government Employees Federation, which is the trade union organization that represents the interests of the state government employees across India. They have come together to demand for restoration of all age pension schemes, including the protest against pro-corporate and anti-PERMA policies, safeguarding labor rights, halting privatization, and reviewing the labor codes. I, on behalf of Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee, fully supports the legitimate and long-standing demands of the Confederation of Service Association of Arunachal Pradesh regarding pension-related concerns of government employees and retirees. The Congress Party believes that government employees are the foundation of the state's administrative machinery and deserves to be heard, respected, and treated with dignity. The protest by CoSAAP is not just a reflection of growing unrest among employees, but also a clear indictment of the BJP-led state government's apathy, arrogance, and administrative failure. The Congress Party recognizes the valuable contribution of lakhs of government servants who dedicate their lives in the service of the people and the state. It is the duty of any responsible government to ensure that these employees receive a dignified and secured retirement. APCC strongly supports the following two key demands of CoSAAP. 1. Restoration of all pension schemes. APCC fully supports the demand to scrap the new pension schemes, NPS, and reinstate the old pension schemes for all state government employees. The NPS has created uncertainty and insecurity among retiring employees, as it is a market link and does not ensure fixed pension. The Congress believes in a granted defined benefit pension system that ensures economic dignity to all employees after retirement. 2. Timely and transparent disbursement of pensionary benefits. APCC urges the government to establish a streamlined and time-bound mechanisms for disbursing retirement benefits such as gratuity, leave encashment, GPF, and monthly pensions. Delays, red tape, and for grievances redressal continue to cause distress to retirees. This must be corrected immediately. APCC also calls upon the state government to engage in meaningful dialogue with CoSAAP and address their demands with seriousness and urgency to stop ignoring the voices of employees and retirees who are the backbone of state administration, and to work towards a compassionate, inclusive, and just pension policy. The Congress Party has always stood for the rights of employees, workers, and pensioners. In its 2024 National Manifesto, the Congress had committed to restore office if it comes to power. This promise stands firm in Arunachal Pradesh too. Let the government listen to its employees before it is too late. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal, BOSIRAM SIRAM, President Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee. Thank you. The Congress Party has always stood for the rights of employees, workers and pensioners. In its 2024 National Manifesto, the Congress had committed to restore office if it comes to power. This promise stands firm in Arunachal Pradesh too. Let the government listen to its employees before it is too late. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal, BOSIRAM SIRAM, President Arunachal Pradesh Congress Committee. Thank you.